Have you ever scrolled through social media and felt like everyone else has a better life than you? Bigger house, better job, nicer vacations. Let me share a story that might just change the way you see happiness. In a quiet countryside town, there lived a shepherd named David. He wasn't wealthy, his flock was small, and his home was simple. Yet, every morning he woke up with a smile, watching the sunrise as his sheep grazed on the hills. But deep down, David often compared himself to others. His neighbor owned a bigger farm, his friend had more sheep, and people in the nearby city seemed to live more exciting lives. One evening, while resting under an old oak tree, David met a wise woman from the village. She noticed the worry in his eyes and asked, "Why do you look so troubled, David?" He sighed, "I work hard, but it feels like I'll never have enough. Everyone else seems richer, stronger, or happier than me." The woman picked up a handful of wildflowers growing by the tree. She said, "Look at these flowers. Do they compete with the trees? Do they envy the grass? No, they bloom in their own way, and that's what makes them beautiful." Her words struck David. That night, as he walked home, he realized he had been blind to the blessings he already had: the loyal sheep, the fresh air, the laughter of children in the village, and the peace of the hills he called home. From that day on, David stopped comparing his life with others. Instead, he began to notice the small joys, like the sound of birds at dawn, the warmth of bread at supper, and the comfort of his own simple home. And slowly, David discovered a happiness that no wealth could ever buy. Vocabulary: contentment, meaning being satisfied. Example: she found contentment in her small apartment. Gratitude, meaning thankful feeling. Example: he showed gratitude for a simple meal. Compare, meaning to look at differences. Example: don't compare your journey to others. Moral of the story: happiness is not in riches or status, it's in gratitude and contentment with what you already have. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing stories every week.